empathy for people to move out from where they find themselves to a greater height. And I see you doing it with so much joy and still doing it with so much love for the people. And this is a nice platform for me to say thank you and keep
Yeah,
doing great. Although,
you're welcome, sir. Welcome,
thank you
Zuna.
so much.
I appreciate you, man. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Like, I really appreciate each and every one of you on here. Trust me from the depth of my heart. And at the same time, don't worry, the is being recorded on here. Our our Friday masterclass too was recorded. You understand? So, um, I'm gonna try my best that after this meeting, you guys have access to the recordings. You understand? Not just that, please, not just that. Where I truly find joy is in after we have an information being shared on here. I also love when you guys implement and execute result. I love when people come and meet me and say, "Hey, Fredo, what's up? I made $60 today." Yeah, like someone came up today was screaming on phone, say, "Ah, Fred, I just made $60. I really appreciate you, and I just met you last week Thursday." Do you understand? These are the things I love to hear. If you go through my WhatsApp status, say you will see the testimonies. You understand? And one thing I need people to even understand the reason why I post testimonies on my WhatsApp statuses. Most people think it's for new people that have not accessed the groups. They feel that I'm trying to oppress them. No, in me, I'm trying to the people that already have access to this information. I'm trying to motivate them. You understand? Because there's a way that you can have an information and you be relaxed. It's true. There's a way you can have an information and you be relaxed. But I'm showing you that see, there are people around you that are executing this information and making money. And making money, which is the most important thing. You understand? So I appreciate each and every one of you on here from the depth of my heart. You understand? So who Mr. Alani Imagine, can you come up live? Just introduce yourself.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Mr. Alani.
Yeah, my name is Olani. Good evening, group.
You're welcome.
I'm so happy to be online. I'm so privileged to meet Engineer Frederick.
Oh, you're
It has
welcome.
been glory to glory all the way. Like I always say it all the time, Mr. Frederick is not just an human; he's an angel sent from God, indeed, to help human.
Amen. God's grace, man.
We really appreciate you, indeed. We will never lost you soon in Jesus' name.
Amen. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. All right,
Yes, sir.
thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And please, like I did say at the beginning of this meeting, try and get a journal. You understand? Try and get a journal. Try and get a pen. Try and get a journal. And what you'll be learning in today's master class is that you're going to be learning an ultimate strategy that has 95% win rate. You understand? An ultimate strategy that has 95% win rate. Just see when it comes to trading the market, just concentrate on this strategy. I know I'm telling you, and I'm going to be showing examples in on our trading view. And also each and every one of you on there, I'll even tell you to open your Binance and you see the strategy. You see the strategy to show you that traders, both forex and now, you know the beautiful thing. This strategy I want to reveal to each and every one of you listening to the sound of my voice works in both forex and crypto markets. So you receiving and absorbing this singular information I want to reveal to you makes you a trading god. Mark this day down. I'm telling you. The moment you stick to this strategy I'm about to reveal to you, it takes see, I'm sure you guys have heard something of going from 0 to 100 quickly. That's the power of this strategy. From 0 to 100 fast. You understand? Then please, each and every one of you on here, if you remember, we're in a group. Another reason why you're in that group is so that after this master class, when I want each and every one of us to make our time, enter the market, scout for this singular strategy, and share with everyone on the group. You understand? So that everyone can be carried along, everyone can make money. That's the goal, that's the vision, and that's the dream. You understand? Then, like I did tell you, Dr. Lipman, he's not yet live from Canada. He'll be coming up to take us on what we call V25 trading. And now, let me say this again. The reason for this training is number one. I noticed in this market space, I found out that people are coming up to teach this trading strategy for $1,000 because it's worth it. You understand? At least one thing I've seen that in a day, you can trade it daily. In a day, you're guaranteed 10%. You're guaranteed 10%, and it's that safe. You understand? So Dr. Lipman will be coming up live to impact us with this knowledge. You understand? Just for you to have the knowledge so that, like I did say, so that when you sit in the future, when people are talking about V25 trading, you won't be you won't be feeling somehow. You understand? The major thing is that you already know the you already have access to the knowledge. You understand? So yeah, not to waste time, let's kickstart let's kickstart today's meeting. Hey, beautiful. Someone just told me, Abigail just told me that she made $24 this morning. I love testimonies like this. I'm gonna post this on my WhatsApp status. Yeah. Seeing Dynamex that is in the meeting, is there typing on group. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen. So please, I encourage you, if you're not with the pen and paper, I encourage you to have that pen and paper with you. I'm over here sending Dr. Lipman message. Let him kindly join us. Kindly join us. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, further ado, let's go get straight to business. Let's get straight to the business. So first of all, ladies and gentlemen, um one thing you need to understand about technical analysis is the moment you're able to understand the market, the moment you're able to understand technical analysis combined with fundamental analysis, you're a beast in trading. You understand? So now the beauty of this strategy that I want to bring to each and every one of you on here is that you don't really need really need fundamental analysis. You just need a strategy. I'm telling you. If this is all you focus on, you leave fundamental analysis aside. If this is all you focus on, you're going to do well. The Dr. Lipman, welcome. I guess you just joined now. So if this strategy now, Olipman, please can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, sir. Good
Oh,
evening.
okay. Good evening. Welcome. So please
Thank
just
you, sir.
you're welcome. So please just stick around. You're just joining. So in this master class, this part I'm speaking, that I'm gonna be revealing each and is an ultimate strategy that has 95% win rate to each and every one of you on here. You understand? So I need you to, if you're not with a journal or a pen, try and get it so that when I draw when I draw this strategy, you draw it down on your journal. I'm going to be making use of the whiteboard to show you, and also going to show you in the market where it played out, so that you know that people have made bastard money trading this strategy. The strategy, the strategy played out well this January on Bitcoin. I'm going to show each and every one of you. So yeah, Dr. Lipman, please hang on. So when I'm done, you can kick off from where I stopped. Yeah. So,
All
ladies
right.
and
All
gentlemen,
right.
you're welcome, sir. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me go straight to. As I was saying, this strategy is all you need to know. You know, so you don't really need to be big on fundamental analysis. The moment you're able to spot this strategy in the market, that time from time, you're going to be making massive money. You understand? This is the only strategy that I can advise someone to go all out. You understand? This is the only strategy that I can advise someone to go all out. So yeah, yeah. So, um, let me just hang on. Okay. I'm gonna be teaching you the strategy on showing the strategy on whiteboard. I'm also gonna be showing you the strategy on in the market how it played out. But first of all, let's go to the first thing you need to understand for each and every one of you on here. Let me share my screen. Let me share my screen so that you can see my screen. I want to lecture for my screen. Um, your entire screen. Okay. Can you see my screen? Just let me know.
Yes.
Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I love seeing this testimony. Made it $4. Beautiful. That's all to see, man. All right. Yeah, beautiful. So yeah, I'm here. So first of all, for each and every one of us here, I want you to first write this down. This strategy works on a 1 hour time frame, a 4 hour time frame, a weekly time
Just
frame.
please.
What do you say? What did you say? Who Someone just said something. Okay, this or a weekly time frame and a monthly time frame. Let me repeat myself again. This strategy you're about to learn works on a 1 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame, the weekly time frame, and the monthly time frame. On these time frames, you understand? Don't go on your 15 minutes time frame, don't go on your 30 minutes frame. No, 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 no. 1 hour, 4 hour, weekly, and monthly. Write down. Then the next thing you want to know, the name of this strategy is what we call the top-down analysis. The name of this strategy is what we call the top-down analysis. Now don't just write down, then personalize it. Let's say your name is Remy. You time it Remy ultimate strategy. What does it do? It imprints something in your brain. It does something to your brain. You understand? They call it personalize it like my own. I would say call it the Frederick's ultimate strategy. Yeah, that's what you write down. Then let me go let me go into the market and show you before I come over to my whiteboard. Let me show you now one market that this thing. I'm gonna be now see. I'm gonna be showing you the forex market, and also gonna be showing you the crypto market where this strategies played out. You understand? Please, if you can hear me, just say yes. And if you can see my screen, say you can see my screen. I want to be sure.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Okay, beautiful.
I will see your
Yes,
point. Yeah.
beautiful. So now, what I'm revealing to you on here is an ultimate strategy that works both in the forex market and also in the crypto market. Is the market respects it? Now, Baba. Now, let me go. Let me go to. First of all, the market that this thing is 100%. It works 100%. Is what I call the G, GBP USD. This is on forex markets. The GBP USD market. GBP USD market. Let me go to 1 month. I want to show you something. This is your expenses for. Okay. Now, I need people to draw M on your journal. Let me draw it. Where's my pen? I need you to draw M, like draw M, normal M on your journal. Okay.
Very big or small?
It can be small, it can be big. On a 1 hour time frame, it looks small. On a 1 hour time frame, it looks small. On a monthly and weekly time frame, it looks big. Yeah. So, okay, yeah, I've got my pen. Let me draw it. Let me draw it on my journal so that you see it like this, like this, like this. Okay, okay, okay. Wait. Okay. Just hang on. Okay, no, no, no. Instead, W, not M. Sorry, the W. Now let me show you. Let me show you where it played out. Draw a W. Wait a minute. Something like this. I don't know if you can see my journal. Not this. Something like this. It is in a shape of W. Yeah. So now, how does this strategy play out now? Now, if you can see my screen now on GBP USD on a monthly time frame now, if you see what happened here, you see here, the market here first remember we call it the top down analysis. You understand? The market faced a resistant point here. You won't enter here, you won't enter the market here. Then the market came down to form a W shape to bounce back to the next to that former resistance zone. Now let me repeat myself now. It comes in a form of a W shape. It comes in a form of the W shape. You understand? In a form of W shape. Here, the first leg cause is faced by a huge a strong resistant zone. It comes down, it forms, like you can see my arrow, it forms a W shape and it then forces itself back to that former resistance zone. You can see I've already drawn the resistance level now. This, and the only funny thing, this is on a monthly time frame. Imagine the money made on this trade. This is on a monthly time frame. Imagine the money, kind of amount of money made on this now. Then now here, you don't just enter here because you know that it's facing a strong resistance zone. No, the next thing you would do is that you wait for this candlestick to close for you to now know that bears are in the market. What do I
Coach,
mean by
please,
bears?
I can't see your screen.
Please, can anyone here see my screen? Please
I
let me
can
know.
see it.
You can see my
Yes, you
screen.
can see us.
Okay,
Yes.
so chief. So chief, please. I think this thing is from your end. Please check your side. Check your side. So now back to business. Remember, draw a W shape. It's still like a form. You see, if you look at it, it's still like in a form of but W. It starts from here, the top first. You can see it faced a strong resistance zone here. It came down, formed a W, and went back up now to try to break this former resistance. So now, what now makes it 95% accurate is that at this point in time, you don't enter the market. You understand? You wait for this candlestick to first close before you now enter the market and start shorting it. And on that secret now, everybody write sell. I want each and every one of you to concentrate on selling in the market, be it forex, be it crypto. I tell people, I found that this is a secret, that personal secret I found out, that it's either you are a trader that takes on a long position in the market, or you're a trader that takes on a short position. Focus and concentrate on one. You understand? Like me personally, if I'm being honest, me looking back at my trading career and my trading journal, where I lost more money was me trying to take on long position, and where I made more money was me trying to take on a short position when I sold. That's where I made more money. So, and I found out this is not just me. I had to do a Q&A to other professional traders. I found out that eh, when I we balanced, when they did their long position and their shorts to their selling position, they made more money selling the market. You understand? So now I'm bringing out all the information that works straight up to tell you. So you don't try testing this, testing that. Just focus on selling. Just focus on selling the futures market. Just focus on selling. That's first thing. You mark that down. Then remember this thing, you draw a W. Now what I'm going to be showing now, I'm going to be showing you markets where this thing played out fine, just fine. Markets where this thing played out fine, just fine. But the thing I want to do first is that let me go to my whiteboard now. Let me go to my whiteboard so that first this is an important aspect of technical analysis that each and everyone need to know. Who's sending me message? So, ladies and gentlemen, just calm down. Just calm down. I'm gonna share with you. Okay. Um, remember what I told you at the beginning? This strategy can be spotted on a 1 hour time frame, on a 4 hour time frame, on a weekly time frame, and on a monthly time frame, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to teach you properly on the whiteboard. Then we'll now go back to our trading view. I'll then show you where this strategy played out and how I rode it, so that now you understand. When I was telling you I made over $10,000 with $500 account, so that you understand where I'm coming from. I'll show the markets I took it, and on those markets you see that I've literally drawn my support and resistance zone, waiting for this strategy to play, and I went all out in. You understand? So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm on a whiteboard now. So, the first thing first, I want you to know, when you want to draw your support and resistance zone, if you are listening to me, when you want to draw your support and resistance zone, write this down. Go on a 4 hour time frame. On a 4 hour time frame. Why, you might ask? The 4 hour time frame gives accuracy and gives clarity. The 4 hour time frame gives accuracy and gives clarity on how the market is moving. So now, ladies and gentlemen, if you've written that down, let me now show you what you want to do now. Eh? You might ask, Fred, how do I get to draw my support and resistance zone now? Let me show you. Let me show you on here first. Let this play. Let me clear this so that you this see the moment see I found out that the moment you know how to accurately draw your support and resistance zone in the market, you are 50%, your winning rate has increased 50%. Trust me, your winning rate has increased 50%. So what you want to do, and see that let me bet you, you see with this strategy I'm showing you, the reason why you will be learning the support and resistance zone at this point is so that you know everything is process and everything is progress. It gets to a stage where you don't draw support and resistance zone anymore. Like, let me go back to that GBP USDT. You find out that yes, in as much as I drew a support and resistance zone, but this is a much more professional and advanced support and resistance zone now. You can see no plenty line. You can see how neatly crafted this one was. You can see it. You can see how neatly crafted it was. You understand? So what you want to do now? You want to go on a 4 hour time frame. Then now let me draw the market now. Just pay attention. Just observe. Let me draw the market now. Let's say this market pumps up, comes down. Okay, just wait for me. Um, hold on. Oh, okay. So remember, on a 4 hour time frame, the next thing we want to do now is now. Let's say this market pumps up like this on a 4 hour time frame. Comes like this, pumps up like this, comes down like this, goes now. This thing I'm showing is the charts, how the market works most time. Comes like this, break down, pump back up. Now, are you seeing the way it's going? So now you might Fred now want to ask, Fred, how do I then, as this market is like this now, how do I get to draw my support and resistance zone now? Now listen, this is very, let me explain it neatly. So you see, let's say this is the chart now on trading view now on the 4 hour time frame. Right now, see how the chart is now. The next you want to do now, you go to on your trading view, you go to what we call horizontal line on a 4 hour time frame. Click on that horizontal line. Is the line, once you click on it, just on your you come to trading view, just click, it will appear. It will apply as a line. So what you want to do now, you can see here, you can see this edge here. You see it here? You can see this edge here. You can see this edge here. And you can see this edge here. One thing you can tell is that they are reacting to a major zone. You can see it. One thing you can is that it's obvious now is that they are reacting to a major zone. So let's say let's place our our zone. Let's say it goes like this. This, you see the horizontal line. So you see it. So to some place in some places it's acting. Let's say here it's acting as a strong support zone. Here is acting as a strong resistance zone. Now you might ask me, Fred, how do you know that this here is called support zone and here is called resistance zone? Simply because this chart came here down, couldn't break here, went up. So the moment a chart can't break this place is called support zone. Then here, the moment a chart can't break past here is called a resistance zone. And now, mind you, this strategy we're using now, this you can personalize it, but you can call it the top-down analysis. We're strictly focusing on when the market can't break this resistance zone. You understand? We'll be focusing when the market can't break this. this resistance zone. And mind you, this strategy now, let me draw it like this. Okay, let me complete this support and resistance zone. You draw on that one here. You see it. You draw another one here. Bam. Can you please unmute yourself and tell me how your she's neatly drawn, right? And you can tell. Please unmute your mic. If you can hear me, just unmute your mic. Just tell me that you can see it here.
Yes,
Yes,
I can
yes,
see, sir.
yes,
Okay, beautiful.
yes, I
Beautiful.
can see it, sir.
Beautiful. So
Yes, I can see it.
thank you. So support and resistance zone, if you don't want to call it support and resistance zone, you can call it major zones. And why do you call it major zones? These are, see, let me tell you, what you should do, every one of you hearing me, both beginners and expert on this training, it's human beings that move the market. Oh, you understand? It's human beings that move the market. You understand? The reason why if these things is like this is for you to become a professional trader, you have to develop the art of systemizing the trading to make it simple for yourself. You understand? Because trading is has a lot to do with human psychology. It has been historically stated that trading has to 90% to do with human psychology. So now, at this point, it's human beings, just it's not robots, it's human beings. Let's say at this point, there are people that sellers that have so set a selling limits here. You understand why? Because it's been detected that this is a resistance zone. Same thing here. Same thing here. So remember, what you want to be doing here, you want to be buying here and you want to be selling here. But what now makes this training now super easy for you is that we will not be playing the game of support and resistance zone. Because the game of support and resistance zone will only keep you, will I use the word frustrated? You might win some and you might lose some, and that's not what you want to do. You understand? You want to bet on a strategy that, yes, you know that this is 95% sure. You listen to me. You want to bet on a strategy that, yes, once you spot it, you say, yes, I spot my big trade. Because see, ladies and gentlemen, see, let me tell you, in this world of trading, you just need one big strategy to break poverty forever in your life. You just need one big trade to break poverty in your life. Mark this down. Mark this down. You just need one big trade to break poverty forever in your life. I'm telling you, every trader, every trader that has made it big, had access to an information like this. Now, what does an access to an information like this do into you? It breeds and grows confidence in you. Access to an information like this breeds and grows confidence in you when you see to say, aha, aha. So here on this whiteboard, I'm going to be showing you, I'm drawing to simplify it for you. Then I'll go to the trading view and show you trade that I took personally for it. So that, like I did tell you, when I say with $500, I grew a $500 account to over $10,000. And most of you here haven't even know 10,000 itself is small money. With the money I grew with that $500 account, is more than 20 million naira for each and every one of you here. Listen to the sound of my voice. More than 20 million naira with this strategy. And I'm going to be pinpointing and showing you. But and most of you on here, I'll tell you, open your Binance account. I'll show you the strategy on Binance. It's printed there. It's printed there, but it will take someone. So I saw there's one of my friends. He was charging 1.7 million naira to teach this. I guess some people signed up. That's why I knew that Nigerians have money. 1.7 million naira. So now, ladies and gentlemen, now I've showed you on here this game of support and resistance zone. But now I just showed you this for you to have the knowledge. You understand? For you to have the knowledge to plot the graph, because automatically this takes you above 47% of traders, because there are still a lot of traders. See, I'm able to speak from experience. It took me a while in my trading career for me to even discover that if you want to really take your trading game to the next level, you have to be trading on a 4 hour time frame. No one will tell you this. It took me a while before I knew that. So it was when I started trading on the 4 hour time frame, I started seeing wins here and there. But it was when I found this ultimate strategy that my trading career took a new dimension, took a new form. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. So now, ladies and gentlemen, this is not the support and resistance. Now, when you see this on your trading view, this is how you're going to draw it. Now, so now let me draw this strategy. Let me draw it for you. This is how most times it appears. This is how it appears most time. So now I've showed people on GPP. This was a trade my team and I took. And mind you, this is on a monthly time frame. Oh. Now let me come down to a weekly. You can see it. Let me come down to a weekly. There's one that the guy, my friend, showed me. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see how I played out? Please unmute yourself. If you can see this, just tell me, Fred, I can see it.
I can.
Yes, I can see it, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You see, what we simply did here was that we didn't drop plenty support and resistance zone. We just identified the major resistance zone. We put it here. Waited for the market. And now, another thing you guys need to write down. Trading is a game of patience. Trading is a game of patience. In trading, money is being moved from the impatient to the patient trader. Because there are sometimes this you see this strategy, there are sometimes this strategy takes like when you there are sometimes you have to wait. Okay, now the beautiful thing that the market is large, you can analyze plenty. So, but when you enter this trade, there are sometimes there's a time I spent 21 days on this trade. The it kept on moving. It kept on moving. As each time it was moving, heavy money. Each time it was more of like a rolling ball. Just a movie because you are confident. And I know the beautiful thing about this strategy. Once you get it at this peak, but remember what I told you first. You wait for the candle to close. You understand? You wait for the candle to close. And once you get it at this point, most times it comes down here to the next to the support zone. So imagine you know how many people is this? Let me check safe. Do you know how many? See now. Ah ah ladies and gentlemen, can you see can anyone see how many pips is this? This over 2,000 pips. This only on this strategy over 2,000 pips. Then let's say you want to enter this trade with a big lot size on a 2,000 pips. Do you know how much is that? Even $100 sef on a huge lot size. Omo, if it doesn't give you above 3 million, now let me know why. With $100, look at it here now, over 2,000 pips now. Oh my god.
2023.
Thank you. Do you know how much? Okay, now because of the confidence you are going all out on this trade now. You use $100 on a big lot size. Do you know how much you make on this? Okay, that's for this. So I showed you this is forex. So GBP USDT. Oh. Let me do it first. Let me go to near. Near was on another my big huge trade. Ladies and gentlemen, wait. You can even see it here. Near is here. Near is here, and you see it. You see that. You see that. You even see that it was crafted self, so that you even know that Fred even wrote this trade. Oh, Fred even wrote this trade. Oh, let me zoom it. Yes, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, can you sit on here? Can you sit on here?
Yes.
This in crypto. You can see I drew my resistance
Near
zone here.
protocol.
Yes, on here, on here. Remember that time I told you, but time I start playing out, it always dropped to its former support zone. And what did you see here? You can see, you can see it dropped down. It dropped down. Now, for most of you on here, so that you will know that there are traders that knew that Bitcoin was going to crash. Now, each and every one of you on here listening to me, I want you to open Binance on your phone. Are you doing that? Open Binance on your phone as we're speaking. If you've done that, just say yes.
Yes. Yes.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Then go to BTC, go to Bitcoin charts. Just type Bitcoin chart then click on monthly time frame. Bitcoin on a monthly time frame on your chart on Binance. Let me open it on my phone. You are here on live. So people know how much traders hit this year alone. Go to Bitcoin on a monthly time frame, on a monthly time frame, month, 1 month. Can you see it now? Yes. Have you opened it on your Binance monthly time frame? Bitcoin. And if anyone's opened it, just say yes.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Can you see the strategy on a monthly time frame?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Can you see it? Then imagine how much traders have made. You see it. You see, this is where they say information is power. This is what we call the top-down analysis. Now, what I'll tell you, personalize it to yourself. You can say Olani's ultimate strategy. You see it. You see it. But still, I'm still going to show you more markets that traded it. More markets I traded it. Then I'm going to on the whiteboard. I'm now going to draw how the strategy looks like. But you can capture it on the monthly time frame on Bitcoin. You can see. You can see. Oh my God, Lord. You get what my friend there. You see this Bitcoin strategy. He started shorting it at the tip. At the tip. You see, you were ready to take that risk. He started shorting at the tip. I know what is building right now. Which other token? Okay, I think I deleted it. Let me type in Cello. Cello. So many markets. I've done that. So many markets. Let me. So many markets. Which other market is that? Who sent me a message? Let's just calm down. Okay. Yes. Yes. I also did it on this strategy on this market. Can you see Cello? Can you see this market called Cello? Can you see this trade?
Yes.
Yes, beautiful. Can you see the strategy being played out too over here? You can
Yes,
see it.
boss. We can see,
Yes.
sir.
They see there's one thing that is common here. It always goes back. It always goes back to touch the former support zone. See it now. See it now. So that now it's not even easy for you. Now it's not even easy for you to even tell the best time to leave the market. You can see it. It's not even made easy because your exit point in trading is as important as your entry point. Write this down. Your exit point in trading is as important as your entry point, because let me tell you that this is the happen now. There are traders that will be on a trade, on $1,000 trade, on profit, but because they don't know when. And another thing, if you don't know when to leave the market, there's something that happens to you. Greed happens. You not want to stay in the market longer. And that's the beauty of this strategy. It shows you when to enter, and it also shows you when to exit the market. It's as simple as that. Let me open one other market. A friend of mine drew my attention. US. Now I'm going to be telling you the market. I'm going to try my best to. You can what you can spot it on any market. I don't even know that I should even call the market I should focus on. But if I will still call the market. But this strategy works on any market. Let me there's a strategy. There's a guy I showed. He traded it on. I want to create, ladies and gentlemen. I want to bring out another market. It works on any market. USD CHF. He told me about this thing. Say we should trade on it. USD CHF. I've been at this one. US dollar Swiss franc forex forex.com. Um. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. This was the trade. This was the trade. So let me quickly draw my support and resistance zone. Don't worry, don't worry. That's the beauty of us on here. As the week one, week two, is going. Every one of us will enter the market to plot out to search for this strategy. Then we share with people on the group. Who's that? Thank you. Thank you. You also see how it was neatly played here. It comes here, it tests the resistance zone, it comes back, goes back to test that same resistance zone, but it doesn't always. And whose mic is doing that? But it doesn't break it. It doesn't break it. Even the almighty Baba Bitcoin respected the trading strategy. So let me draw it on here. Let me come over here on whiteboard. Let me clean here so that um okay, simple. If whenever you want to like have a reference point, just go over to Bitcoin or Binance, click on the monthly time frame. You get you get the shape. So most times, ladies and gentlemen, this is how it appears in the market. This is how it appears. First of all, there's a we draw our what do you call it, resistance zone. And remember, I told you just focus on selling. And what do I mean by selling? Is shorting. Because I found out that when you just focus on one strategy, it pays. Like I always tell you, less is more. Just focus on one thing. So most times, this is how the strategy plays, ladies and gentlemen. You see a huge boost, it will boost up here, you come here. At this point is the point that you don't enter here. So it hits here, then it drops. Then most times this is how it plays out. Then it comes like this, it comes like this, that it shoots back. At this point in time here, eh? At this point in time, you don't just enter. You wait for a red candlestick. You just take it. You wait for to see red first. Yes, as simple as that. So I don't complicate it. You put here. Red meaning that the bears are present in the market. That's what the red means. That bears are present in the market. So when you then see, remember what I tell you, is this candlestick that makes this, like this is 90% accurate. Once you see the red candlestick close, it now makes it 95% win rate. Then you now see it tries here, then you see the market push down. And when it pushes down, it's bears that's entered over here. So once you enter here, what you want to do now, regardless of how you want to enter it, what you want to do now is that you want to set your stop loss here just above this um, um, resistance zone and ride it. And mind you, once you see this thing, market will fall all the way from there down to its what is that with that? Market will fall down to its most times this place. See it here. See how it is. See it. But remember, here has to close first to validate our entry point. Here has to close first to validate our entry point. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, please, I would love to know if you'll be able to understand this strategy to at least to a large extent. Just unmute yourself and just let me know how far you've been able to understand this.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Aziz Arowolo. Aziz.
Yeah, sir. Yeah. So for that strategy, does it mean that you're going to trade it for a whole month, or it can actually happen within a couple of an hour?
Okay, remember, no, I don't know if you heard of the time frames. If you look at the time frames, I dropped the time frames. I dropped the 1 hour time frame. I dropped the 4 hour time frame. I dropped the weekly time frame 1 week, and I dropped the monthly time frame. These are the time frames you can spot this strategy. And now the beautiful thing about this strategy here, sometimes it takes you 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days to max it out. You understand? Once you find this strategy, you will ride it for days. And as the days are going, you're in big profit. Yeah. Have I been able to answer your question? Yeah.
Yes, I understood.
Okay, beautiful.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you. Anyone that needs clarity on this, please come up live. Come up live. Anyone that needs clarity on this, please just come up live. And as you're learning, there's
Good
something
answer.
about these things. See, like I did tell you, people that were on my free life webinar. One thing I told you is that all strategies work, but it's not all that consistently work with a high win rate. You understand? So as I've shown, as this thing has been revealed to you intentionally, when entering the market, only enter when you see this opportunity. And now, like I did tell you, when you are doing this thing over and over, there's power in repetition. When you are trading only this strategy over and over again, your confidence rate grows. Your confidence rate grows. And then remember on that thing I told you, it all it takes in this trading realm is just one big ultimate strategy, one big trade. That's all you're set for life. Because do you know what people see? Do you know that a simple as okay, now I won't say simple. Do you know that a $4,000 trading account, a $4,000 that's over close to million naira, let's say 2.3 million naira now, a $4,000 trading account can easily give you 50 naira, can easily give you 70,000 naira on a trade that you've only been in, let's say 10 to 15 minutes. Are you guys following me? On a trade, just 10, like this strategy I showed you now. Let's say you have like $4,000, 2 million naira. You enter this trade with a smaller size. The first day you'll be in profit of 70,000 now. Mark my word. I've done this over and over again now. So you know, say what I tell you now. You know, I'm just not something. It's not something I read. It's something I've seen, experienced. I have executed. I saw it in the space of 15 minutes. You're already in 70,000 naira profit, rolling, going. That's on a smaller size. Oh. Then imagine you went all out. Oh my god. Imagine you went all out on a $4,000 account. Like you with a huge lot size. Only small movement. You say, you'll be on 350,000 naira profit. Then now imagine how much you now be at the end of the trade. So that you understand why when you come, you guys have not met some people. There are people that have 5 billion naira trading accounts. No, it's not today, it's today trading, but they focus on one trading strategy and they will multiply their capital. I know a guy that went all out on this strategy with 500 million naira. 500 million naira. Ladies and gentlemen, 500 million naira on a big lot size. Then please, you can do the maths. On over 2,000 pips, you can do the maths. You know how much it came out with. You know how much. So that you know
That
the
man go reach pass Dangote now.
Jesus. So that you know. Wait first, I'm going to say thank you. Wait, thank you for each and every one of you. One of my big mentors in the trading game. I said the someone that really opened my eyes to this shit was Dapo Willis. He's the official trader of Dangote. He's the official trader of Hienacho. He's the person that opened my eyes to this trading strategy. He calls it the top-down analysis. See, there are levels to this. So there are levels to this. So imagine people in trading, they have money. Oh. See, that's what like I did tell you, ladies and gentlemen. As you guys are listening to me, by the grace of God, in 14 days, you guys spot just one big trade. You see, you be cruising money. You understand? You understand? You be the money. I don't say most of you on here, you will have money, oh, but there's money you hold there. You go lodge for Marriott Hotel. You get one hotel where money is good. Oh. There's one hotel here in Lagos that me and Mr. Salusi went to. They told us it's 130K per night. We no calculate am. We just lodge for 3 days. You know how much that is? You know how much that is? You know how much that is? That 3 days now we're able to calm down and execute our business deals. So please, anyone want to gain clarity on this, please feel free to come up live. So and also remember, the reason
Sure.
why we're in this group is so that when we spot this strategy, the person who shares with share. You understand? We sharing. That's the beauty of this strategy. You understand? You share. We over here will analyze. You say, okay, let's ride it. That's the beauty.
Good.
Yeah, big man.
In French. So I want to ask some question about
Okay,
this strategy.
okay, feel
Is it
free.
only on forex or you can spot it at futures trading?
This guy's funny. Okay, big man. Let me answer your question. Um, I showed you trades that I took it on crypto, not only on forex. You understand? I mentioned near. Come and see the trade here. This guy is funny. Near is a near USDT is a token in Binance. Look at the trade. Look at the trade. The only thing that crypto is funny, but regardless, you're still going to see the trade play out. You can see how it played out. You can see how it played out. Okay, let's say wanted to like measure the pips from here, the pips from here to here. Wait, so that people now know the kind of blood money that is in crypto. So please,
This chart is in how many hours time frame, please?
this on a 4 hour time frame. Can't you see my screen? This on a 4 hour time frame. Are you just joining this meeting? Remember, I stated the time frames to analyze this thing. I stated the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame, the weekly time frame, and the monthly time frame. So, but abeg, write it down. So, ladies and gentlemen, please, so that if you've been here, there's blood money in crypto, there's blood money in crypto. Now, just come and in crypto, just come and measure how many pips is this, so that you understand. So that you understand. So yeah,
Sorry, Mr. Fred,
11,000.
how many pips is that?
11,000.
can you see it?
I can't see clearly. I'm on my phone.
Okay, you're on your phone. Yeah,
About
sorry.
11,000.
Yes.
Yeah, please, anyone that can see, just say it.
You can zoom in, sir.
Make I zoom.
Minus 11,953.
Can you see it now? I'm still zooming, Can you see it? I'm still zooming. Ah.
It's still not clear. I
Hey,
can't.
I wait. Left.
No, I mean, it's not Mr. Fred that you zoom. The man that is not seeing it, zoom
Okay.
your screen.
Okay, so please, the man that's not seeing it, please zoom your screen.
Okay, I can see now. I'll zoom my screen. I can see
Okay,
now.
how many pips are you seeing?
I'm seeing 11,000.
Okay. So when you hear that there's blood money in crypto, that's what they mean. Just see them tell you. Wait first now. Just see. You say, brother, go on to Binance, go to Bitcoin. I know someone, most of you on here knows. I don't know if anyone here knows Ifeanyi Ezenwagone. Now, Ifeanyi Ezenwagone is a crypto trader. He's one of the top traders. He was even the one where classmates in Madonna University. He was the first person I heard about crypto. I think we're in 200 level, 300 level. I was hearing Bitcoin from this guy. I was wondering, what is this guy talking about? Okay, now, long story short. Oh, shit. Long story short. Please, who they call me? Oh, shit. Please, can you hear me? Someone just try to come. Please, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I
Thank
can hear
you.
you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. So, it was when I started trading this strategy that I also discovered that this guy also knows this strategy, and that's what he trades on. See, this you can see how many pips is that now. If you go on your Bitcoin on a monthly time frame now, try and calculate that pips. That is a strategy that this guy entered. Are you listen to me now? With over 235 million naira, he entered with 125x. 125x. Now, I mean, I can't even calculate how much he made, but the last time,
Jesus.
bro, see, oh shit, see, wait, hey, I have this guy's portfolio. I don't know if I can go on. The thing that if I bring it out searching, it's going to be trading online. That's not what I want. The last time when I checked, when you showed me, I saw $4 million. I saw $4 million. There's blood money in crypto, but now it's not just about shouting blood money in crypto, blood money in crypto. What strategy can you use to access that blood money? That's the question, and that is why I'm here to review this thing to you guys. That is why I'm here to review this thing to you guys. Now imagine someone entering with 235 million naira on a 125x shorting, and
The confidence has to be over the roof. 100%.
and he closed that trade. So it to me at first I was thinking that yes, in as much as he has access to top information, but he closed that trade when Bitcoin hit 19,000. Now imagine how much that guy has made. See, man. But now that's the beauty. Now we as family now, you know that thing what they call blood money now. You understand? It's time for us to 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 create it and bring it very close to our. You know, for us to assess that in the core blood money to everyone here
Yes,
knowing it.
so
And that is why, remember, I told you my dream. And you people know now, see, it was not easy. You know, it was not easy me drafting out from what I'm doing. Say, I want to go deep into this crypto master class. But me, I know there's something I saw in my dream. There's something I saw in my vision that I want to bring to life. Imagine all of us here now, on each and every one of you now. I've learned this thing now. Day in, day out, we are entering the market just to spot this strategy. Just to, and once I told you, once you spot the strategy, once you start riding it, it takes 3 7 days. The least I've closed this strategy, this trade was in 3 days. And the reason I closed this strategy on the 3 days was when I wanted to travel to Rwanda. You understand? I didn't want to be checking chat. I said, let me close the trade and let me carry that money. Let me carry that money. I'll go and flex. Tell the reason I close that trade. The least I've closed the trade three. The moment I enter this trade, sometimes it takes 3 to 7 days above. Imagine the amount of money you make. Imagine the amount of money you make. So please, is there anyone on here that wants to ask question? Remember, I'm also here for to taking your question to try my best. Dr. Lipman, are you here? Dr. Lipman.
I have a question.
Please wait. I know you have a question, but wait. Dr. Lipman, are you here? Oh shit. Okay, please. Please, the person that has a question, please come up live and ask me. Please come up
Okay,
live
so
and ask me. So
looking at the chart, this near protocol that is on display,
okay.
the W was spotted on the
4 hour.
inner one. Yes, on the 4 hour.
Yes.
Like this inner, like the second W, like this small one, Abby.
Oh, okay, no, okay. That beautiful question. Beautiful question. Now let me answer you. Are you guys calm down? Let me answer you now, eh? The first thing I did when I saw this, it wasn't spotted here. The first thing I did was I drew this strong support zone, this strong resistance zone, and I drew this strong support zone. And I just drew it down here. Eh? So now what I used to gauge it was that it touched here, it came down here. I was betting for it to come down here, which it did. You can see it came down here and it went back. So it was not just this kind of created the W, but this was not what I was betting on. I was betting on hit hitting this resistance zone, hit coming back to this support zone, and hit going back to face the former resistance zone. You understand?
Yeah.
Whereby drawing the W shape. You can also, if you want to get a clear picture, go to your Binance, open the Bitcoin chart, BTC chart. BTC. Now listen, I want to the two places you can get inspiration from. You can go to, this is Bitcoin. You can go to your Bitcoin, two places. You go to your Bitcoin app, your Binance app, open the BTC chart on a monthly time frame. You're going to see what I'm saying. Then on that place you can get inspiration from is let me open it. On that place you can get inspiration is on GBP USD. You can analyze this on your, another thing, always analyze this on your trading view, please. Always analyze this on your trading view. I found out that the trading view gives clarity and give accuracy. This is open fast. Hope my network is not glitching. Always analyze on always analyze on the oh, not this. Always analyze on the trading view account. So that's the first one for you to gain clarity. The next one is for you to gain clarity is um let me open it for you. Okay, this is it. Another place for you to gain clarity how this strategy is being played out. Go to GBP USD. GBP the USD. On a weekly time frame, you can see it. On the recent chart now, you can see on the recent chart pattern, you can see it on the recent chart pattern. So you might not want to ask me, Fred. This part is crucial. You might not want to ask me first. Well, first of all, how will you know when the first resistance point zone is created? Now look at it. I want to use this GBP USDT as an example. how I knew was how I knew was here. You see, you can see here this place. This place, you can see my arrow here, here. Around this area, Wally knew, but it was not a game of patience because for before we enter, it must draw a W shape. So this at this point, we knew that this was already created a strong resistance zone. So now it dumped, waited it down. There was no W created. Waited it for it to go up. Which the strategy itself, if you look at it, the strategy itself still played out here, safe. It still played out here, safe. But I didn't enter here. It came down. Now it has created a strong that I've already drawn the resistance zone. Here, it couldn't, so it came down now. So and I saw that it has created a massive W shape now. Now all I did was to now patiently wait for it to try to come back to this previous high resistance zone. And we took a shot from there. I can see it. We took a shot. So yeah. Who please who is anyone who else want to come up like engineer Max? Where's meeting? Hello?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Good evening, Aziz.
Yeah. Is the trick, I mean, the strategy mostly, I mean, to verify to be used on
Hey,
first
please,
or
can
two
you? I don't know. Your this is not clear.
Can you hear me now, sir? Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you? But please just be audible. You're talking slow, low.
Okay, now, okay. Um, can we trade this strategy on first or future
No,
trading, sir?
it works on all markets. Are you hearing me?
Okay, sir.
It
Okay.
works on all. Nah, I came up live to tell you strategy. It works on all markets. All,
All right, sir. All right. Thank you so
all.
much.
Okay, please. Is anyone? No, the Dr. Lipman. Lord. Oh, please, pardon me. You guys should hold on. Hold on. Please hold on. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Let me try. Be fair, just pardon me. This man is busy. Dr. Lipman. I don't want him to go to bed. Please, ladies and gentlemen, please hold on. I'm trying to contact Dr. Lipman so that he can impact this knowledge in you guys. Please. Um, just hold on.
I am here. I'm here.
All right, please just see. I've already started calling you. Please hold on. You're about to take on. You're about to take on the what do they call it? You're about to take on. Please just hang on, please. Please just hang on. And yeah, ladies and gentlemen, please remember what I told you. See, practice makes perfect. So don't just feel that okay, you've don't just see. What I'm trying to say is that uh, as a family, as a family, that your dream, your vision, any the amount you want to make by the grace of God on this group is going to be actualized to its fullest. You understand? So what I need each and every one of you that after today, you see this strategy, become loyal to it. Every day, spend a minimum of 1 hour in the market just trying to spot this strategy. You're going to be seeing it. That's the power. Now, the beautiful thing about this strategy is that it has to do with the law of attraction. Because you've seen this today. Whenever you look into the market, you'll be able to attract it. That's beauty. You understand? And when you see it, feel free to share on the group. Let everyone analyze it too. That's beauty. That's beauty. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me on this master class. Dr. Lipman, can you hear me? Let me